Well, good afternoon. It's Wednesday, 29th? I don't know. Yeah, the 29th, October 29th. It's about noon 20, and I just took the Starship down off the lift. It's ready to go to the show on Saturday. Got a good start yesterday. It sounds really good. And so it's sitting here as spiffy as I'm going to make it to take it to the show. The owner of the black bike is gone out of town for a month. He could have come and gotten it. That was the plan. But I asked him to leave it here. I actually said, if you'll leave it here, it looks like I'm going to have some spare time. Maybe I can kick on it a few times, check the carburetor, recheck the ignition, recheck a few this, recheck a few that, and see if I can't get it to start a little faster, easier. Now, the last time wasn't too bad, but it still took a few kicks. So over the next 2 or 3, 4 weeks that he's away, I'll mess with it every now and then. And frankly, I don't have anything else to work on, so I'm bored. So anyway, the Starship is sitting there ready to go to the show on Saturday. I've got the shuttlecraft sitting here, and I put it up. It's dusty. I'm going to dust it off. I'm going to drop the carbs off, put them on the bench, go through them, clean the jets, put it back on, freshen up the gas, and here comes a nice loud helicopter. Yep, there he is. That's Surrey Bob. They make me nuts. Make me nuts. Anyway, as I was saying before we were so rudely interrupted by that loud helicopter, I'm going to clean up the carbonizers and fresh oil. Maybe not, it's actually got fresh oil. It's been sitting a year. So I'm going to go through the carbs and put fresh gas in it. And it's been on this battery charger overnight. Battery seems to be up. And we'll see how that goes, because it's going to go into the show with me on Saturday. So let's see how it goes. All right, it's about 5 minutes before 2. And I've got the carburetors off. And let's go over here. Basically disassembled. And I'm going to start cleaning up bits and pieces and put them back together. Here we go. Okay, now in case you didn't notice before, I had not removed the pilot jets. These are Premier carbs, and I just now pulled the pilot jets out. I'm going to clean them. One of the problems with the Premiers is that you can't look through the pilot jet. You'll clean it and spray stuff through it, but it'd be nice to hold it up to the light and be able to see through it so you can see if it's clogged. Anyway, I'll clean those and put them back in. So here we go. All right, it's about 20 to 3, and give or take, yeah, about 20 to 3. The carbs are all cleaned up, put back together, and they're just sitting here. I'm tired. I'll put these back on the bike tomorrow and give her a few strokes and see if she comes back to life. That's it for today. I'm tired. Gonna go inside. Take a nap. Naps are good. I'm retired. Naps are good. Later.